YouTubies, how's it going? Tonight I am having a, see that ruler, let me dig it up. A Casey's, oh, it's got squishy on it. Oh, okay, it's got a extra to it. A Casey's blueberry muffin, and I have a glass of Highland chocolate milk. Something simple. And 20 questions. We got to bite of this first. Flying solo tonight because Anthony is still asleep. He's having a lot more, go away bug. He's having a lot more kidney pain and neuropathy pain. So when he's asleep, I can let him sleep as long as he needs to. And a while ago, I'm glad I wasn't in bed because he started kicking in his sleep. Luckily, it wouldn't have been in my direction. It was, he kicked everything off of the dresser. I had to check his feet afterward to make sure he didn't injure himself. So, how you guys doing? I'm trying to lose my voice here. The first bite. See that a little better now. There we go, it's a little bit better. You can get a bite, or look, see on the inside. I'm making a mess everywhere. I haven't had one of these in forever. A bug around here. Dad keeps leaving his bananas out, and it keeps drawing the gnats. That's a nice big blueberry right there. How they make Highlands chocolate milk. It is so good. I've tried other chocolate milks they have in the store. There's one kind of chocolate milk. It's in a cardboard carton thingy. I can't remember what the name of it is. I don't like it as well. It tastes like melted chocolate ice cream. I like chocolate ice cream, but I just don't like it as well. Okay. Twenty questions. Number 1, thing you cannot leave the house without. My phone. A phone. I cannot leave the house without my phone. Yes. Oh, billfold. Phone and billfold. Man, I wish Dad would take care of his bananas. Favorite brand of makeup. I really don't know the name of it. I used to get my makeup from Walmart, the CoverGirl and all that kind of stuff. I recently, well, not recently, probably about 8 months ago, switched to going to the Dollar Tree and get my makeup from there. So I don't know the name of it without having to get up and find my purse. I don't know what I did with my purse. But it's the Dollar Tree makeup. I like it better, especially the foundation. It's a little bit thicker and it goes on better. The blush is better. The lipstick is better, I think, and cheaper. So, I'm really not having a spaz over here. I promise. Okay, number 3, favorite flower, lilacs. Actually, I love all flowers, but I think lilacs is probably my favorite. The smell, the look. Problem is, they don't last long when they're blooming, like on the trees. I don't know if I have any other roses also, but particularly lilacs. Favorite clothing store. I don't really have a favorite. Right now, all I have is t-shirts. So I am working on actually getting some more girly clothes. In the past, I really have not had much money to do so, so I just stick with t-shirts, which is not bad. I mean, they're comfy. They cover up my booty. So, but hey, when I get a chance, I want to get some more girly clothes. I'm looking online, maybe get some clothes from like, what's it called? Well, from the Wish.com store, for one thing. Maybe a dress lily, something like that. A little more girly. Number 5, favorite perfume. I don't know the name of it. It's, the label has come off. It's a essential oil mix that a friend of mine gave to me a couple years ago. It's like I think it's a mix of frankincense and myrrh. I think it's kind of a, I don't even know how you would describe it. Earthy? Not really earthy. Spicy, kind of like scent. I don't know. Number 6, heels or flats. I like heels. I have a couple of heels, high heel shoes, boots. I'm wanting to work on wearing again. I haven't wore high heels in years. I'm afraid I'm going to break my neck. I'm going to attempt to wear them again as soon as I get the girly clothes. So I tend to usually go for flats because they're safer. I wobble all over the place like a, I don't know what. 7, do you make good grades? I'm not in school anymore, but when I was, no. I did horrible in school, and I mean horrible. I hated school with a passion. Mostly because I had bad teachers. I was extremely shy, and because of it, I didn't get the help that I needed because I was too shy to ask for help. Bug, if you get in my face one more time, you are going to die. But yeah, I was too shy to ask for help, and even when they knew I needed help, I just got shoved off to the side. So, yeah. Because of it. Alright. Ha! Told you. So because of it, I hated school, and I didn't do good at it. Now, if I had to go back with the knowledge I have now, I could probably do better. But back then, no. Number 8. Favorite colors. Purple, for one. Second one would probably be teal. Purple and teal. Number 9. Do you drink energy drinks? Oh, no, 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 no. I've drank them before, and they make my heart flutter like crazy. So, no, I don't drink those. I'll stick with chocolate milk. And get a bite. I had an ex-coworker that we drink on a nightly basis, like 3 to 6 of them. Goodness, Dad has got to take care of these. Oh my God, this is embarrassing. Now that I've swatted out, they've gone. Go to the light and die. Jeez. So little fruit fly things. That's what they are. It's embarrassing, but at the same time, we've all had them. I don't like them. One more bite. But yeah, he would drink like probably between 2 and 6 of them a night. Like, hello, how are you still alive? I'm not even joking on that. I would actually watch him. I think partly he did it to show off. I know I couldn't do it. Okay. Do you drink juice? Yes, occasionally. Sometimes I drink orange juice, and occasionally I drink grape juice. Do you like swimming? Yes, but I don't like getting my head underwater. I know that sounds weird. I don't like getting my ears underwater, I should say. Because I then have ear trouble. Muffins fall apart. Number 12. Do you eat fries with fork? No. Do other people? No. Number 13. Favorite moisturizer? I don't know. Usually, I guess, coconut oil. So I don't really go out and buy moisturizer. I just use coconut oil. Doy, sucker. Doy. I'm going to keep calm, cool, collect. I'm not going to scream. Number 14. Do you want to get married later in life? I am married. Now, I admit, if anything should happen to hubby, heaven forbid, heaven forbid. But if anything did, then yeah, I probably would get married again. Because I hate being alone. I really, really do. That is one of my biggest fears, I think, is being alone. That and house fire and ticks. So, but yeah, I'd probably get married again. But depending on who it is. 15. Do you get mad easily? Not really. I mean, I might get aggravated or annoyed, but really mad? No. Are you into ghost hunting? Yeah, I would be. Heck, I have ghost in here. Oftentimes when I'm in the bathroom, I hear stuff on here in the back room, it sounds like somebody's in the back room, moving around and stuff. I come in here, nobody there. My parents are sound asleep. Hubby's sound asleep. When Snuggles still alive, she'd be in the bedroom with hubby, sound asleep. Or even sometimes when I've been in the bathroom and hear the noises, my parents would be gone. So yeah, we have ghosts that like hang out in the kitchen in the back room, and stuff that was actually in past randomly fell off of the shelves and all kinds of stuff like that. Oh, even in the bathroom, stuff was fell. And I've heard, even just the other night, it creeped me out. I kid you not. I was standing in the living room, had my Bluetooth in, and I was talking to a friend while standing there talking. I had my back to the front door, and all of a sudden I could have swore the front door opened. I thought it was my parents coming home, my dad coming home from church. Turn around, the door was closed. I mean, okay. So I went around and checked the door. Nobody was there, and my parents weren't home yet. That happens all the time. I hear the door open and it sounds like somebody's coming in or out, whatever. Creepy. But that was the first time I've actually been in the room and heard it. Usually I've been in the bedroom or the bathroom and heard the front door open, or even sometimes occasionally the back door, but usually it's the front door. That actually gave me chills. Not even kidding. When I heard the front door sound like it opened. Like, okay. 17. Any phobias? Being alone. Like living alone. House fire. Ticks. So, 18. Do you bite your nails? No. I never actually have. I know a lot of people that do, but I never have. Oh. Now I see why we have gnats. Mom and Dad have a bowl over there. Ugh. A bowl over there that they use as their makeshift compost until they get the food stuff out to the compost, the actual compost. And the bowl was in a bag. Well, somebody forgot to seal the bag. Give me a second. I'm going to seal it. Not that it'll do any good now. Telling them they need to not have a bowl in the kitchen as a compost, but they're all farts and I think they need a compost in the kitchen. Like, just take it outside. I love my parents, but jeez. Now I know it's not because of the bananas like I thought. Have you ever experienced a near-death experience? Not really, I don't think. I've dreamed near-death experiences. I don't think that's the same thing. Do you drink coffee? This is number 20. Not generally, because I don't really totally like hot drinks, warm drinks. So if I drink coffee, it's usually iced coffee. So that's the 20 questions. If you have a Tasty's Journal store near you, try out their blueberry muffins. I almost said blackberry for some reason. Hello, blueberry. So, tag to anybody who wants to do these. If I don't forget, I'll put them down below. I tend to forget sometimes. Don't mean to. I have the memory of a squirrel. Memory and attention span of a squirrel. So, anywho, I'll catch you guys later, and hopefully next time Anthony will be able to be with me. But I won't guarantee, because like I said, he's having a lot more pain lately with his kidneys and the neuropathy in his hands and feet. So he doesn't get much sleep oftentimes. So, but he should be able to be with me here and there. So it's hard to juggle when we could actually do videos together, because when mom and dad are home, mom and dad tend to like to talk when I'm trying to do a video, or have the TV up really loud. And of course dad, he can't hear half the time, because only half the time he'll put his hearing aid in. Like, can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Like, maybe you guys experience that with your elderly parents or your grandparents. I love them, but put your hearing aid in. Alright, I'm going to skip. If you're new to my channel, which a lot of you are, welcome. If you're new to my channel and you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit that like, comment, subscribe, share, and notification bell. And I'll catch you guys again later.